Good day guys and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to borrow airtime from MTN. So before we proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So let's proceed. So now head over to your phone dealer. So now your phone dealer, now you just need to type *303 *303 hash, then proceed to call it. So let's retry again, *303 hash. So now as you can see, MTN extra time borrow up to 750 naira. Services fee includes VAT. So now just select the amount which you have been shown you're eligible to borrow. So I'm eligible to borrow 750. I just need to select number one, then select it. Yours might be 200 naira, 200, 300, 4 naira, depending on your SIM recharge history. So as you can see, as easy as that. If I just tap number one and proceed, now this one, the 750 naira, will be sent to my SIM card, including VAT. Okay, so guys, as easy as that, I've borrowed airtime on my MTN SIM from I borrow airtime from MTN. So before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.